In today's video, I will tell you about 2 tricks that will allow you to caption more videos than the permitted limit provided by Submagic, which means you can caption some videos completely for free. The first trick enables you to use Submagic for 15 videos for free. The second trick is really amazing, so don't skip the video. The first trick is that when you log into your Submagic profile, you can find the option Get 15 Videos. After clicking on it, you'll see that you can obtain 15 videos by inviting your friends. What you can do is create another Submagic account with a different Gmail ID and share this link with yourself. Then, go to the pricing section and purchase the cheapest Pro plan that allows captioning 20 videos. Use my promo code WBExplainer to get a 10% discount, and now you'll be able to generate captions for 35 videos by paying only for 20 of them, which means you'll receive 15 videos for free. Now, the second trick is that the basic plan allows you to caption a video of 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pro plan allows 3 minutes and agency plan 5 minutes. So, if you have videos shorter than these durations, you can combine them using any video editing software, caption them as a single video on Submagic, and then separate the videos after exporting. This way, you will be able to caption multiple videos at the same cost. If you want to know about Submagic in detail, then check out this video. If you found these tricks helpful, please like my video and subscribe for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.